Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to remove the headlights on the Toyota Corolla T Sport. So if you haven't ever done it before, here's how to do it. So fingers crossed it's gonna help you. Before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get going and let's show you all how to remove these lights. So, why would you want to remove the headlights on this? Because even just changing the bulbs on these can be a pain in the arse. Like, you barely got any access there. You could probably remove the battery, but then even if you look over here, that's going to be a nightmare. Look at that. Save yourself some time and headache and just remove the headlights. Well, I don't know about time wise, but do you know what, just save yourself the headache, remove the headlights, and it's going to be a lot easier. We've got some LED bulbs, fingers crossed that they're the correct ones to go in here. So yeah man, first of all what we need to do is remove this. It's held on by a couple of clips, 1, 2, missing. So yeah, let's do that. Grab yourself a trim tool, let's remove that, and then we'll see where the bolts are that we need to remove, which look like 10 mil. So these clips literally just pop up from the tab, 1, 2, as you do. And okay, no, not just that simple. Pop them little clips out. I think that Phillips head there and over here is holding that in. So let's get them out. I've literally removed that, and that cover is literally ready to come out. So do the same on that side. Safe keepings, leave that up there. Right, now that's off, you've got access to your 10mm bolts. One there, one there. So we'll remove that. Hopefully we don't need to take the bumper out, but what I might do is just undo that clip there and that one there, so it gives that little bit of movement and comes out from there. So let's just do that. Right, to be honest guys and girls, this is my first time taking out a Corolla T Sport headlight. Shouldn't be too difficult, I hope not, but we shall find out, and hopefully it will help you all. Okay, there you go. So that's loosened up from there, but it seems like something might be stuck around here. So whether it's worth just undoing it from back here so we can see what's going on. I think that's a clip right there. Right, been attacking it for all this time just for a headlight. Been trying to do the bumper iron, the bumper iron wouldn't undo. So what I end up doing, you see this, normally that's like literally all one piece. It's broken and that literally just pops out. And now I believe undo that and that should come out. Moment of truth. Well, would you look at? That's one headlight out, and this is why we make these videos for all you ladies and gents, because you don't have to long your life out and this and that and trying to figure out what is what and how it comes off, because I'm going through that pain for all of us. And yes, now we actually have access. We can get that out, we can clean it up, we can change the bulbs. Jeez, mad! Let's do this. There's one headlight unit, and then we can have a look what bulbs what, and yeah, man. Right, after you've got the headlights out and crammed in your new bulbs, I've gone for the H7s, that's what they are, LED bulbs, and wow, was it a flipping squeeze. Like, check that out. But I managed with persistent LED bulbs. So yeah, that's all done. Let's plug them back in and see if they're all working. Otherwise, yeah, I don't really want to go back to standard bulbs. Let's do this. Right, let's try the side lights. Nothing. Well, that's not a good start. Maybe the bulbs need turn around. Let's try the main lights anyway. Oh yes, that looks awesome. Lovely. Let's just sort out these side light bulbs, make sure those work. Hopefully you just need to flip them around, but yeah, otherwise once we've got that sorted, just need to put it back together and happy days. Right, as I suspected, just needed to turn them around. Let's get these back in position, box it all up basically as we took it apart, but it's in the opposite now, so yeah, let's do that. Right, it's all back together, thankfully. A couple of clips broken and missing here and there, but yeah, fingers crossed they won't fall apart. But yeah, that's a job well done. Other than that, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay charged for more content, yo. Cheers!